geva netsotsi Emerson uri geva takatumira mbavha geva matsotsi hurumende yembavha.
DJ Holly wakadi yako mjaya isu tunofara yedu mjaya. Just wanted to say something concerning our nation. Pane imwe muvhunzo yekuti tinozvibvunza and then hatiendi deep neanswer yacho kuti ingangove iri papi. Sevana venyika yeZimbabwe, dambudziko redu nderekuti nyika yedu haina mitemo here, to the extent yekuti mutemo pakuiswa imwe mitemo kana kuti pakuchinjwa imwe mitemo. Mitemo yagara yanga iripo yati yatevedzerwa here to the extent yekuti yakagonekwa kutevedzerwa kwakutodikana mimwe because iyi yagara iripo yapedzwa nezvayo. Right, I just want to draw you a bit back from 1980, whereby our nation adopted the negotiated British Lancaster House Constitution of 1979. Now, the Constitution of Lancaster House Constitution stipulated that every Zimbabwean has the right to life. That was the section 12 of our constitution. By then, year 1979, section 3. Then the other clause was that only the court is the one that can determine kuti une mhosva yekuti unotongerwa rufu. So the only custodian of the that constitution was the court that granted the permission for someone to be hanged or to be killed. But other than that court, nobody had the right to take life yeumwe munhu. But we switched to it kuti nyika yedu from 1982 to 1987. Pakaita dambudziko revanhu vanga vasingatevedzere mutemo wavakasainira kuti vachatevedzera. Then boka iroro rikava iro above mutemo weZimbabwe. We saw the killing of Ndebele people and ZAPU followers from 1982 to 1987, which was totally against the Lancaster House Constitution. So what does that mean to us as Zimbabweans? So we've got a group of people that no matter how much the law is, they are above the law. So they had to assassinate, they had to kill the Ndebele people. But the law of Zimbabwe was totally against them. So after 1987, when the Unity Accord was assigned, ZANU-PF swallowed the ZAPU because hapana kubatana kwakaitika muna 1987, but pakaitwa kubatwa kweZAPU neZANU. Takazoona vaEdgar Tekero vachitanga political party yavo yainzi ZUM. What happened after? The followers of Sir Edgar Tekere were persecuted, which still was not in the constitution of Zimbabwe, which was still then the negotiated Lancaster House Constitution of 1979. Then the ZUM was disbanded. Then pakazomukao MDC Yanamoke Tsvangirai. The party came very strong. We saw the very first elections in 2002, which were the bloody elections. more than 2,500 opposition supporters were killed and thousands were displaced. But was our constitution supporting the ruling cartel, the ruling evil system ZANU-PF, to persecute opposition supporters, to kill Vanwe MDC in 2002? No. They acted against the constitution. They never followed the constitution, but the constitution was still there. What does that mean to you as a Zimbabwean? Okay, later on, it came 2008. We see the repeat of what happened in 2002, whereby opposition supporters were killed, opposition supporters' homes were burnt, opposition supporters were abused, opposition supporters were killed, some were even jailed, some were even tortured. Was that in our constitution by then? No. Zvanga zvisiri pamutemo. But who was all behind that? It is the evil ruling system ye Magukuraundi ye ZANU-PF. Now, let me tell you one thing. You cannot separate ZANU-PF and Gukuraundi. And you cannot separate Gukuraundi from ZANU-PF, because ZANU-PF is Gukuraundi, Gukuraundi is ZANU-PF. You will see it kana tichinda kumberi. Then takabva ipapo tikaenda mberi. 2013 elections, then pakazoitwa a constitution, another constitution of 2013, which is the people-driven constitution, which has the amendment of Constitution Yekudara, which is the adopted Lancaster House Constitution. And then this section of Constitution, which is the right to life that I was talking of, which was in section 12 of the Constitution, section 3, was changed to Constitution at 2013 to section 48, which stipulated that every person has the right to life. Hence, now 2013 Constitution was abolishing death sentence. Kuti no matter in what circumstances, hapana munhu ane kodzero yekuuraya umwe munhu. Even the court now yanga isisina right yekuti umwe munhu aponde umwe munhu kana kuti ape mutongo werufu kune umwe munhu. Wakatevedzerwa here mutemo uyu, because that's still the constitution that we have. Ichiri kutevedzerwa here mutemo this constitution. Nekuti takabva ipapo tikaona 2017 coup and then 2018 elections, tichiona Magukuraundi achibira musarudzo. And then before these Gukuraundist trigger happy gun-toting idiots of ZANU-PF, before declaring themselves winners, soldiers shot people daylight in front of the cameras. ETV of South Africa recorded this daylight. People were executed. But was that in our constitution? No, it was not in our constitution, because everyone has the right to living, has the right to life. Not only the Gukuraundist, not only their system. Saka dambudziko redu mutemo here, kana kuti it is these cartels that are lawless, that are above the law. Inoendera mberi nyaya yedu. Sarudzo dziri kubiwa. Mutemo hausi kuvhumira sarudzo dzabiwa. 2023 sarudzo dzakabiwa pachena. A recorded record from Dr. Nevas Mumba from Zambia, who headed the SADC election team, compiled that report. Did the Gukuraundists follow the constitution? No, they didn't. What did the ZANU-PF Gukuraundists do? It is to continue vachitonga, despite the fact of vanhu kuti vanhu varamba kusarudza Mondi. People have selected their own government. So from there, the only thing that these cartels had to do was to get away with murder. Kuti pamusoro pekusasarudzwa nevana veZimbabwe, vaona zviri nani kuti vazvisarudzire ivo kuti vasabude muchigaro, vagare muutongo kusvikira zvanaka. That is why sometime mainzwa general vakati izvoni ZANU-PF ichatonga kusvikira matonga ane nyanga. General Senyatwa knew what was going to happen. Vaitozviziva kuti the plans was to swallow the constitution and ZANU-PF to rule for life. The only difference that is there now between what was proposed by ZANU-PF and what is being proposed by the Mafidi dynasty, it is that now the issue of Cap 3 is now a family thing, is now an elite thing. The generals have been thrown under the bus. That is why takunzwa generals akutanga kushoropodza this move. They are now coming with this idea yekuti takaenda kuhondo tichiindira one man one vote. Ndimbobvunzawo magenerals kana muchikwanisa mundisvitsire mubvunzo kuti mugore ra2002 before the election takaona vanga vari general the late Vitalis Zvinavashe, may his soul rest in peace, vakati izoni we won't salute a president without war credentials. Vakadaro saka one man one vote yanga yaenda kupi nenguva iyoyo, just because the systems and the situation favored these generals. That is why these generals had to make sure they supported the ZANU-PF evil system. Tichiuya futi naiwo magenerals aya tinoona mugore ra2018 before they announced themselves as winners in my election, Priscilla Chikumba was attacked so that she's gonna change the result of elections. She was forced by the general and the current so-called people's favorite, General Chiwengo. Vakarova Mai Chikumba nembama. Mai Chikumba vachibva announce ZANU-PF seyawina. Ko one man one vote nenguva yacho 2018 vachiwengwa yanga yaendepi yamakutaura nezvayo nhasi, yanga yaendepi? Now zvimwe zvinhu tachida kuti titaure zvinhu chokwadi, because it seems as if people are afraid to say these things now, just because General Chiwenga is now against the Mafidi dynasty. Vakuita sekunge vasaidi. We all know that General Chiwenga, he has got his own dirty pens and dirty comments. Being against the Mafidi dynasty does not mean he's a saint. We know it very well that during Kukurahundi, General Perence Shiri and General Chiwenga commanded the Kukurahundi to kill our people in Matebeleland. Tine hama dziri pasi muvu dzakaurwa na General Chiwenga vachishanda anga ari pamusoro pavo, General Black Jesus, Commander Perence Shiri. Commander Perence Shiri ndo vaikomanda Kukurahundi, vachi vice wavo vari General Chiwenga. That is a recorded fact. Vachibatsirana nana Mnangagwa vanga vari ma-state ministers, nana Sitini Sekaramai vanga vari ma-ministers of defense, nana Baba Chatunga. These are people whom they are directly answerable to Matebeleland atrocities. So to the generals, dziripo makutaura nezve one man one vote. Makadii kumira 2002 vatsvangirai pavakawina ma-elections mukadeclare kuti hamusarute munhu asina kuenda kuhondo. Makadii kumira navachamisa mune gore ra2018 kuti let one man one vote be applicable. Awina otora chinhu ichi. Makadi kuzviita izvi mune gore ra2023 kuti awina ngamanye nebhora. Where were you, General Tsikauke? Where were you, General Muchena? Yes. At this moment, you seem to be in the same side of a corner, whereby you are like, you are with the citizens. But your colors, we know them very well. The thing is, we as Zimbabweans, we are totally against this Gukurahundism system, which is the ZANU-PF way of doing things. Because now the constitution is being changed to be a Gukurahundist constitution, whereby the Gukurahundist one-party state will be the order of the day. So that they won't be answerable to anyone. They won't be questionable to someone. They will just rule as they want. That is what you went to train Gukurahundi for, to promote one party state. This is what the Mafiti dynasty is now doing. The only thing that you generals now are against the Mafiti dynasty is because this thing has been taken to be a thing of a family and a few friends, and then you are being left outside. That's why you are now making noise. But the thing is, if you had Zimbabwe at heart before, we should not be in such a situation. Dai maifarira vana veZimbabwe, nyika yeZimbabwe, mungadai musiri munyika. We know that very well. 2017 coup was not all about Zimbabweans. It was about General Chiwenga saving himself because Baba Chatunga vaida kudambura vachiwenga musoro. So it was tit for tat. Atanga win. 2017 coup was not all about the people of Zimbabwe. It was all about General Chiwenga saving himself. So at the moment, we just want to know, Kuti generals, are you with the people or you want to make this thing Chinu Chema generals? Are you waiting to act constitution kana yasainwa Mafiti dynasty kuti Chigukurahundi ndo chakuzotonga nyika, akutonga Cape 3 iyi achabvunzwa kwakuitwa Chigukurahundi akutonga madiro amaijojina kusvika zvanaka, motora nyika muchi disguise vanhu, moshandisa futi the same Cape 3 to suppress people of Zimbabwe. Yes, anything can happen. Tinozviziva izvi. But let truth be truth. Kuti, if you are with the people, do the wills of the people. If you are against the people, mozvimirira, motaura chinhu, so that you won't mislead people again like what you did in 2017. God bless Zimbabwe. God be with Zimbabwe. Mwari vachatiitira nyasha imwe yenguva. We know the truth. And if tikasataura chokwadi, vaye vemanyepo, they will run amok.